Hello. Welcome to my channel where quality is attainable. Today I'm at Burlington. Let's quickly get started. Here on this rack, you get, pieces from $12.99 and under. All right. So if you are looking for where to get yourself good pieces or your kids, come to Burlington. Look what we got here. This is a good crop one. I love the color. All right, with front deep pocket. Yeah, and this one is in size small by this brand. Got all the information you need right there. And this one is, you get this is just $9.99. All right, and is available in size small, medium, large, extra large. All right, in different colors. They are new in the store. All right. Yeah, they are new in the store. Really cool. And here we have these pants. This feels so light. Okay, and this one is $6.99. They are new in the store as well. Here we have this one. Okay, and this is, it feels so good. Yeah, interesting for force. Yeah, interesting phosphorus. So this one is $7.99. That's it. That's a good one. The price is given. This is the one we saw. Okay, look at this one. This is by Champion. Okay. This is by Champion. Okay, let's take a look at that. This one is $16.99 in size medium. We've seen this before. This is a different color for the same price for $9.99. Okay, let's see what we can grab here. Look what we got here. This is a good turtleneck sweater for just $9.99. Look, $9.99. Okay, look what we got here. This is a good sweater for $9.99. The color is given for $9.99. Who made this? Okay, this is by this brand. All right, it's available in size small, medium, large. And behind you have these little sweater skirts. Look at them. Yeah, and this one is $20.99. No, $20.89. The quality is there as well. And here we have these distressed denim jeans for $15.99. Look at this, that size, okay, and is available in different sizes. It's new in the store. Here we have another one. This is so cool and clean. Okay, and this one is $10.99, new in the store. Look at this cropped sweater for $12.99. I'm loving the color. Alright, for $12.99. I would have loved to go for this. I like it. It's well cropped. It's available in size small, medium, large. Here we have another one. Look what we got here. I will take you to swim. I saw, they have started bringing out swimsuits. So I will show you what they have there. Okay, look at this. This is $10.99. Interesting high rise. All right, look. Okay, these are in small sizes. And here we have another one in small size for $8.99. These are small sizes actually. Okay. Yeah, so look what we got here. Okay, let me take you to another section. Come with me. Okay, this here you get, look at that. Yeah, you get swimsuits. Look at what we got here. All right. Look at these floral sets for $16.99. These are actually very good quality swimsuits. Yeah, if you are looking for good swimsuit, cool brands, come to Burlington. Look what we got here. This is so cool. All right, I'm loving the color for $16.99. All right, dressed in bikini. Look what we got here. This is $19.99. So good. This is $19.99. Wow. So cool. Okay. And here we have this one. Ooh, this is another cool one. And this is $9.99. Yeah, this is not generous. That is always my problem. This can go, all right. Look, for our big girlies, they're supposed to make their cup at least. Look at this, $16.99. Look what we got here. Interesting quality. Look. This is the bag. This one is $11.89. This is it. You are getting very good bikinis, okay? At good quality at affordable price. This is $14.99. And here we have this one by Tommy Hilfiger. And this one is $19.99. If you don't want to show too much, this Tommy is for you. This one as well. Yeah, this is so cool. And this one is $16.99. And here we have this one. All right. Interesting. For $8.99. More swimwears. Swimsuits. Look. Let's check. This is what we got here for $24.99. And look at these sets. Okay, this one is $12.99. More. Okay, look at this. Yeah, for $9.99. More. Look what we got here for $24.99. And this is long sleeves. $19.99. Okay, let me take you to the other side. Let's see what they have there. Okay, here we are looking at more sets. Look, this one is $16.99. And this colorful one, look, for $16.99. This is actually 3-in-1. You have this on top. Okay, see what we got here. Look at these neck prints. This is $7.99. All right. More. Look what we got here. $9.99. The prices are even getting better. Okay, and here you have this 2-piece set. You can wear to the beach. This one has store price is not here. Yeah, this one is the short one for $16.99. Up here is another one for $16.99. These are sets. You get them for $16.99. Interesting. All right, I'll end this video here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next